Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Power BI interface. When we open Power BI first time, we see this pop-up window where you can bring your dataset. The first step to generate your report. After that, we have some previous reports that we built, an option to sign in or buy premium license. We will explore this sign in option in coming videos, and you get some support related thing like tutorials, forum, Power BI blog, etc. Let's close this pop-up. Here we see a home screen. It's like our starting line for the race. From here we can do many things. Look at the get data option. This is a very important button. It is like a magic door that lets you bring in data from many places. You know, Power BI is very popular because it can connect with more data sources than most other tools. It is like a busy airport that can receive flights from all over the world. On top we see different buttons like home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. Each button is like a special tool in our toolbox that can help us do different things with our data. Now imagine you are running an online store selling clothes. You are in the report view. This is a place where we can draw pictures to understand our sales better. On the right we have three buttons: data, visualizations and filter. The data that we will bring, that all of the tables will show up here, and visualizations help us to draw different types of charts. Here we have different categories of charts, and also we can import some more visuals from the web, and also we can import from the file. So there are many options for visualization. So there are many options for multiple type of charts, like we can import Gantt chart, we can import bullet chart, and many other things. And after that we have filters, where we can apply filters on current report or on the other reports that we will explore in the next video. On the left side we have again report view that we just explored. After that we have the data view. Here we can see all our sales data in tables like in big ledger. We can sort and filter data here. It's like looking at our sales register to understand how many shirts or pants we sold. Lastly, we move to model view. Here we can connect different tables. It's like drawing a map of our store, showing where everything is and how they are linked. So for example, in one table we have product code and we have product name or product SKU. Like we have product SKU and we have product name. Now in all of the other places we are only using the product SKU. We are not using the product name. But in the chart I want to see the product name and I want to see the sale amount. So now in that case I have to connect two tables. That connections, relations, linking, it all happens here. So friends, that was a quick trip around Power BI interface. Just like running an online store is fun, using Power BI is also fun. And more we use it, the better we get at. So keep exploring and keep learning. Let's meet in next video.